The Harlowe Mini Max is a powerful 40-watt light that can be used for portraits, both studio and outdoors, and still life photography. I was gifted this robust creator kit from Harlowe. It can be powered by the Max battery that comes with it, or it can be plugged in with an AC dual port adapter. Like the other Harlowe lights, it also comes with a set of barn doors and 6 color gels. The lens is also detachable and can be adjusted for precise control over the light output. The knobs on the side panel control the amount of light and color temperature. The battery pack even lights up for easy install in low light settings. There's also a V-mount handle that can be adjusted for different angles. The Harlowe app for iPhone and Android makes it easy to control the light from a distance. So far, I've used this light for portraits and most recently a gallery space for my art exhibition at Creative Arts Workshop in New Haven. This is a bigger light compared to the others I have so far. For the most part, I keep it in my studio. I'm very impressed that Harlowe took everything that worked about past models, like magnetic barn doors, and applied it here. There's another light in this series called the Avant Max. That light is 80 watts. The Mini Max Creator Kit costs $799. There's a standard kit for $599 and a travel kit for the same price. Harlowe was kind enough to also throw in a foldable softbox that I'll go over in the next section of this video. You can see here that I am going through changing the back port since my 99 battery was not charged. That's how it clips on. And putting it back in the case that it comes with. Everything is sleek and ready to go for easy install whether you're doing a studio photo shoot or if you're out and about. It's easy to travel with, and this foldable softbox also lights your portraits in a way that's soft and accessible and just makes everything super simple. And I'll be going over that in this section. Here's my setup for using the Mini Max for a photo shoot. I like using a sturdy tripod to balance the weight so it doesn't topple over. The softbox is foldable, expands, and easily locks into place onto my Mini Max. For the sake of the video, I'm lighting on this portrait painting that I created. The 99 battery has an indicator to let you know how much power it has left. The side panel is where you can control the light output, temperature, and the effects are stunning due to the 40-watt output. All in all, the Mini Max is a powerful light that can be used in the studio or on the go. A big shout out to Harlowe for gifting me this Mini Max light and softbox. It's incredible. I highly recommend it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel.